Snow is halfway up the door. Okay, here we go. Wow. That snow is probably 2.5 feet deep. Yep, probably at least 2.5 feet deep. So it'll be good. Doesn't look like anyone's plowed out yet. Oh, I hear some sap off in the distance. All right, here we go. I remember the blizzard of 78, but this was insane. Yes, unbelievable. Like the guy across the street. Never seen anything like this. It's gonna take me 4 hours to dig out of this. That is
Wave to the camera.
Just wrapped up 3 hours of snow throwing, snow plowing, and shoveling. You can see some pretty big mounds. I think all total we got about 2.5 feet. That's where my neighbor got dug out by the backhoe. Yeah. So much for starting lacrosse by mid-March outside, huh? See, this is the front of the house. Look at that. And that's our bushes. I didn't throw snow up there. Halfway up the windows. The walkway. This is it's up to my hip. That's a path. There's Alex. Path. Let the oil guys come in. Path down to the bus stop. People are out and about anyway now. One heck of a snowstorm. I'm calling for more on Thursday. Oh, you petty. Yeah, she's up to her hips down there. That's how deep that is. Good year. It was a good year to buy this snow thrower. 28 inches depth that thing has. Okay. Last one lasted me 16 years. Or 18 years. So if I get another 18 out of this one, I would love it.